Such an important conversation here in Studio 61. From January through the first week of July, the Connecticut Department of Health says there were 692 overdose-related deaths across the state, more than 80% of those deaths involving fentanyl. Joining us this morning to talk about the latest numbers and what's being done to tackle the problem are Pam Mautte with BH Care's Alliance for Prevention and a friend of the show, Ana Gopian with Tri-Circle. Ladies, appreciate your being here as always.
Thank you, Keith.
And Ana, I'm going to start with you because you and I have talked about these numbers for years. You're the one who really opened my eyes to the issue, specifically here in Connecticut. We just shared new numbers this morning. What do you make of them?
It's not getting better in my eyes. Even if, let's say, the numbers go down, I still see the additional challenges that are getting infiltrated into the substances. So it's still very scary.
And you do such a beautiful job reminding us all that these are real people, these are our friends and neighbors.
Yeah, that have families and communities that are all affected, the whole system, yeah.
Pam, you are on the front lines of tackling this issue here in Connecticut. I wonder, A, what you make of the issue, and what do we do?
So I think, part of the issue is we're just looking at those who have passed away. We're not looking at those who are currently struggling with a substance use disorder or an opioid use disorder. So the problem is much larger than what those numbers show. And a lot needs to be done. We need to utilize multiple strategies across multiple sectors, meaning everybody has a role to play in substance use. So we need prevention, we need treatment, we need early intervention, harm reduction services, and supporting recovery services. So it's really all hands on deck from multiple strategies and multiple sectors. So it's not just, healthcare, it's not just law enforcement, it's our community partners, it's all of us working together, our school systems, really that true collaboration, because when we have all of those working on the same issue, we could start to decline those numbers.
Ana, I was on the phone last week with a mom for about an hour, standing outside St. Francis Hospital in agony, desperately trying to get help for her son. Her story is not unique. What do you say to moms and dads out there who just feel so trapped?
Well, there's hope, and even on both sides, but the resources and the continuity of care needs to be more understood. It's the richest state of resources that many people don't know how to access. And that friend of mine, CC, she's amazing. Her son is in treatment right now, but it took obstacles, and the fact that he's even here after those challenges, it's scary. It's very scary, and she's already lost a child. Ben, yep.
Yeah, just heartbreaking. Let's talk about hope and opportunity. Let's talk about this Saturday. There was a race in honor of a young woman. Tell us about it. Or a ride, I should say.
Yeah, right. Absolutely. So Rihanna, her mom, Patty, and it's going to be fantastic. I will personally be handing out flowers at her gravesite, and there's the motorcycles and cars, and we'll be it's leaving from North Haven at the Elks Club, and it's landing up into Durham, Middlefield. I think it's Hot Rod is the cafe that it's going to, but I'll be at the cemetery.
And do you want to point out Tri-Circle doing a fundraiser at Mohegan? Foreigners Farewell Tour.
Yes.
I know they're a big hit. I was telling our team what's happening there.
Yes, we were honored with the opportunity to get the Earth Sky box at Mohegan Sun and 100 tickets to sell for a fundraiser for that particular concert was Foreigner, and it's going to be great. It's Friday is our last day, so tomorrow is our last day for sales of the tickets and sponsorships and things like that. So it's our very own spot by the Tribal Council of Mohegan Sun.
Great. And then Pam, just quickly, where do folks find you if they need you?
Folks could find us at bhcare.org or apw-ct.org.
Ladies, we appreciate the work that you're doing in our community tackling this problem head on. We are here to continue the conversation as Connecticut's news station and appreciate your efforts.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks,
You're
Keith.
welcome. Thank you for being here.
Thanks. Fox.